Okay, for starters, hi, I'm welcome back to my channel. So I had started this video with like no intent of posting it, but like the transformation was real, so we're just gonna go with it. A little context. So like my hair is bleached. I bleached it last June, so almost a year ago. I've bleached it about 3 to 4 times. So, and it's pretty light for how little bit that I've bleached it, because this is my natural hair color. This like black right here, and then this got dyed too, which is now it's brown, and this is like really not brassy, but like a really silvery blonde. Not super silvery, but like some of it's silver, some of it's like almost silver. But anyways, I had toned my hair, and to tone your hair you have to use toner and developer. You're supposed to use 10 volume developer, but I didn't have any, so I used 30 volume developer, which isn't that, great for your hair. So turned straight, like it was super straight, especially in the back, like along this back side of my neck. It was just really straight. So I was like, well, I either need to fix this or my hair is just gonna be more damaged. So I decided to fix it. And what I did was, well, you'll see in this video, basically I used a hair mask, repair and conditioner, and a few other products. I'll show you at the end of the video and tell you more, but for now, just keep watching if you want to see how I got my hair from straight to ringlets. My hair is straight, mainly straight, especially the back part. Like what the? Okay, so I'm taking this Palmer's, I think it's called, repairing conditioner for dry, damaged, colored hair. It helps my hair a lot. As you can see, my hair turned like a little bit curly, and it's like, I know it's wet, so it's kind of hard to tell, but it did turn curly, especially at the ends. The top is always curly because that's my natural hair, but yeah. And next, I'm gonna be taking this protein mask, because I did like do a moisturizing mask a while ago, and I figured I'd use the protein to balance it all out, and this is me just putting it in my hair. So now we're done, and this is my hair after the shower. It's still semi-wet. It looks a lot better at this point, especially the ends. The ends are at least curling up a little bit. So this is my hair after I had slept on it. It's pretty curly. I would say I had about like 60% shrinkage, 60 to 70. It's really curly for my hair recently, especially the back part. Like, wow, just look at that bounce back. And then I'm gonna talk about the products I use now. Okay, so these are the products that I use for like my wash and go. I used this as a leave-in, which is just the coconut oil repair and conditioner for dry, damaged, or color treated hair. No sulfates, no parabens, no some shit I can't pronounce, no mineral oils, no gluten, no dyes. Made with fair trade coconut oil. On the back it says that just to use after shampooing and leave in for about 5 minutes. I obviously left it in for a lot longer than that because I left it as a leave-in. And then for product wise, other than that, I used this, which is Garnier, I can never pronounce that word, Style Curl Treat, which is a smoothie for fine and normal hair. It has no sulfates, no silicone, no parabens, no artificial colors, and no mineral oil. It's 90% naturally delivered ingredients. These smell amazing. Like, if I don't know if anyone's used these, but they smell like what they say. Like, this is avocado. That's what it's like. That's what kind of supposed to be. And I have the mini ones, like the 1-minute hair masks. And I had one that was papaya, one that was, it was like, so like, it was a red fruit. It was started with an H. It smelled like heaven. I love those two. The papaya and the red one smells like heaven. And then, but I ran out of those and I can't find them in store, so I'll probably have to buy them online. But I also use this, which has my hair stuck all over it. It's African's Best Ultimate Herb Oil, which is 4 penetrating natural oils made with extra virgin olive oil for your hair, body, and skin. It smells like baby oil, which kind of sounds weird, but it smells like baby oil. Like, I think that smells really good. Some people don't like it, but I think it smells really good. You can use it for hot oil treatment. You can use it just for hair in your oil. Oil in your hair. Yeah. And then lastly, I used when I style my hair, like the morning after, I used some Eco Style gel, the olive oil one. Just looks like this. It's brand new, so she's pretty full. All these products I just bought a little while ago, and I love them already. Well, I knew I'd like this just because I had the mini one of this and it worked pretty well. This I was kind of skeptical, you know what I mean, about, because what it does is when you put it in your hair, it doesn't feel oily, especially when you're putting other products on top of it. But after a while, when your hair sits, the oil does kind of come to the top, and like with the excess that wasn't like if it was oversaturated, the excess will like come to the top of your hair, and like when you touch your hair, it will feel oily. It doesn't necessarily look oily, it just kind of looks a little bit shiny, which in some cases can look oily, but in my case it didn't. Like, I have it in my hair now and my hair just looks kind of shiny. It doesn't really look oily. This smells like coconuts. Like, it smells delicious. I heard it wasn't that good and that it didn't work for other people, but it did work for me. These products were roughly, I think this was for something. This was like between 5 and 8. I want to say it was 7. This Eco Gel is really inexpensive. For a big tub like this, it's only like 3 something. And then this was probably around 3 something too. I got all these products from Walmart, from the multicultural hair section, which their hair section is pretty small, but you know, you do what you gotta do. And yeah, so that's what I use for my hair. I'm on day 3 of my like rinse and go, because I do not wash my hair ever. Like, I wash my hair hardly ever. Like, I rinse it out and then put more product in it. Rinse out the old product. My hair does not do very well with shampoo, so I do not use shampoo because it just dries my hair out to the max. No matter how little I use or no matter how well I use it, it just dries my hair out, and that's not very good for your hair, especially when you already have really dry, damaged hair. So that will be the end of this video. Thank you for watching. If you did make it to the end, please subscribe. Thanks.